The first thing that we need to do before we can begin working in this course is to make sure that everyone has access to the Adobe Creative Cloud. And you can see here that we have three options. The first option is that you've previously already purchased your own version of the Creative Cloud and you have used your own personal email to set that account up. The second option is if you've not previously purchased the Creative Cloud, that you can purchase a student version at a discounted rate. And that rate runs you about $25 a month. I believe the non-student version of the cloud runs about $35, so you get that student discount. If you do not want to purchase the Creative Cloud, the only other option you have is to use the computer labs that we have in the department. We have 2 computer labs that you can use to work on your projects if you decide not to buy the Adobe Creative Cloud. Those labs are in Malone 201 and IAC 206. And these 2 labs are open 24 hours a day for you to gain access at any time you want to work. So those are your 3 options that you have to gain access to the cloud. So when you hop on a computer in the computer lab to do your work, in your dock here, you're going to see your apps that you can use, which is Photoshop, if it's Illustrator, if it's InDesign. So for this tutorial, I'm going to try to log into Illustrator. So I'm going to click the Illustrator icon here, and it's going to load, and then you will see this window pop up where it wants you to sign in to the Adobe Creative Cloud account. And this is where you would use your Troy University credentials to log in. So I'm going to log in to my account with my troy.edu email. Then it's going to bring you to this window, and you can see here that you can select company or school account. And when you do this, it's going to bring you to this window, and then again you're going to have to put in your Troy University credentials. So I'm going to do mine now. And then it's going to ask you to put in your Troy University password. But once you sign in, then you are in the account, and that's when you can begin making new files, and you have full access to the Adobe Creative Cloud. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to make a black rectangle on the page. Very hard stuff here. So now that I'm finished with my project here, which is extremely complicated, as you can see, I need to save my workout on my hard drive. And you can save this out on the portable hard drive that you were recommended to buy. But you need to have some way to save your workout because you cannot save your files out on the computer lab desktop. So I'm going to save this project out. And this is where I'm saving my file out onto my portable hard drive. Okay, now that you're done for the day and you want to call it quits, what you need to do here is sign out of the Adobe account before you leave the computer lab. So to do that, you're going to go to Help. You're going to go here and you'll see Sign Out, and you'll see my Troy University email right here, and you're just simply going to sign out. And then it's going to give you this window to confirm that. You hit Sign Out. So I hope that helps everyone understand how you log in and out of the Adobe Creative Cloud when you're using the department's computer labs that we offer.